KmProd is the adaptable manufacturing execution system software for workshop management. For more than 30 years, KmProd has accompanied industrialists in many sectors of activity. IOTIC has acquired expertise in the field of aluminum extrusion. We have developed a specific module with custom applications, which solve the daily challenges of this business, improving and digitalizing all production flows. Here is an example of how industrials use KmExtrusion. The first step is to create an interface with your ERP to retrieve data, which will then be configured and used in KmExtrusion. KmExtrusion offers a module for calculating the cost price via an intelligent algorithm, depending on the price of raw materials, the machine, and human load, as well as energy consumption. This will help identifying best break-even price of your products. Billets are managed by fleet and by ally. Each time a truck is received, an operator enters or scans the receipt in KmExtrusion, therefore, allows for real-time display of the number of billets available per ally. On the office side, a user enters the composition of the ally to make sure that the cast received is within the required tolerances. KmExtrusion offers a collaborative scheduling module adapted to everyone's process, using an intelligent calculation algorithm to best suit your needs. KmExtrusion manages the entire life cycle of the dies and controls the tool furnace. This allows you to know the state of the die store in real time, as well as to consider these data for the production schedule. KmExtrusion realizes complete management of the extrusion process. An industrial intelligence module called OptiPress calculates the most efficient extrusion instructions. An operator screen allows efficient control of the press. Document management allows the operator to find all the documents associated with his current production on his interface. KmExtrusion ensures the digitization of quality control processes and scrap declarations. This allows for easy analysis and permanent traceability. The quality and tracking sheets are also digitized in KmExtrusion. KmExtrusion integrates the container management module for a more efficient location in real time. Each container is weighed to ensure that the contents are correct. The characteristics of the profiles are associated directly with the tool and are visible from the screen. KmExtrusion manages the aluminum furnace. A display screen lets us know the status and the program in progress. An operator interface allows to see the production sequence and heating program, then launch the container's loading. KmExtrusion offers a scheduling module for the coating line by the color wheel. This makes it possible to group the fabrication orders by color, and thus, to save on cleaning time in the paint booths. In addition, the theoretical consumption of powders is optimized. Digitalization of the coating process helps to reduce the error rate and to increase productivity. First, an intelligent camera recognizes the shape of the profile on the production line when hooking to make a check. The profiles are then coated. KmExtrusion manages the powder recipes and the actual consumption. When the coated profiles are unhooked, an intelligent camera identifies the shape of the profile once again to send a printing order to robot for an automatic labeling. KmExtrusion allows easy management of the various finishing processes with specific modules. The containers are always managed in loading and unloading. We can take the example of the thermal break process for extruded profiles, where KmExtrusion manages the profiles in the processes, giving instructions to the machine PLC. The packaging process is entirely managed by KmExtrusion. A workshop screen allows the operator to know where his production is, which product is to be made and how to pack it. The performance of the product can be calculated. A full automated conveyor, labeler and the automatic wrapper are connected to KmExtrusion to receive packaging orders. For logistics performance, each package is scanned before loading, the truck is weighed, and a calculation script will check data based on the theoretical weight of the load. This allows for a final check before shipping. Traceability is a crucial asset of KmExtrusion. All the data collected during production allows traceability upward by associating a package with a casting. All the data collected during production allows ascending traceability by associating a package with a casting. In the case of non-conformity, analysis and correction are extremely easy. The advantage of MES software specific to your business is its adaptability to your production process. KmExtrusion will allow you to perform better in the field and production quality. The production data analysis will also allow you to pursue your continuous improvement approach. See you soon on ionic.com.